phone, but don't forget to save them. What did he say?
Well, he's like, freaking, what'd you text me for? Because you asked me if I'd come pick you up, and I'm already here. I've been here since freaking 10:30. You know?
So he said to you, why didn't you text him?
Yeah.
We did, and then we called him. You called him.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't answer. Ooh, good takeoff. Good takeoff. Wow. Kids were taking the jumps. Smoked him. Smoked him.
That one. Alright, can't get the win.
Nah.
If you want the last way, 7 to the right.
I'm gonna...
Check out the chicks again.
No.